What caused high winds that worsened California wildfires? California wildfires are worsened by high winds driven by specific weather patterns, such as Santa Ana winds in Southern California and Diablo winds in Northern California. These winds are dry, gusty, and can reach speeds of 50 to 70 miles per hour, which rapidly spread flames and cause new fires to ignite. High pressure systems trap air and funnel it through narrow valleys or canyons, intensifying wind speeds. Additionally, dry lightning from thunderstorms can spark fires, while windstorms carry embers to distant areas. The combination of dry conditions, extreme temperatures, and strong winds creates a dangerous environment that accelerates wildfire growth and destruction. If you like our videos, please subscribe. My channel, press the bell icon for more updates.